Hello YouTube, this is lilmrhardcore again, and now I'm going to break one of these boxes. This one's a smaller number, so we'll go with that one. It's 381 out of 2400, right there. Let's try to hurry up and get into it. See what I can find, hopefully something good. Ah, come on. Maybe a printing plate or some of these. Maybe that autograph would be great for the multi-way. But we'll see what we can get. I'm going to try to bust through these. I've already been through. There's your checklist. Let's bust through it real quick. Hopefully something good. I'm not going to name off unless they're an insert, because I've already been through these, the last boxes. Just look for the inserts and nothing yet. 2 packs in. The pack shreds as usual. Oh, I thought there was something in this one. I was like, oh, there's a red. 10 of 10 Hulk Hogan. My first, you get a number, one short printed card and more. So there's my short printed card, I'm assuming. Hulk Hogan, 10 of 10. It's always good to get a Hogan. It's supposed to be on Raw tonight, which is also awesome. So they say. I don't know if he is or not, but I heard on, well, I think it was on WWE.com or something. Okay, there's Velvet Sky. Nothing else. So there's that. Let's get into the next one. I haven't had no hits. There's the same Hogan card, which I think I've, out of the 2 boxes I had last time, I've gotten 2 sets. So I'll probably have maybe another 2 sets, or one of 2 sets. Bully Ray, Joey Ryan. Oh, excuse me. And I could do without another Garrett Bischoff, if that's even possible. Chris Sabin. Oh, sticking. I mentioned him, and there he is. Nothing good there, except for base, which I don't mind base. I like looking at them every now and then, reading the backs and all that. Trying to hurry. Autograph right there. Let's go ahead and see who it is. It is numbered to 99, Matt Morgan. Not too bad. I liked him when he was around. I wish he was still around, but that's my first hit. Other than the short printed card there. If that's the ones they consider short printed. Let's go ahead with this one. Always look for the color on live, but other than that, nothing. Ah, come on. Hop, there's another one. Robbie E, Jeff Hardy, and numbered to 50. Duel of Jesse Goddard's, and that's a piece of Tara's outfit. That's cool looking. I like it. The memorabilia card is cool. I like it. So there's that. I didn't even put the pack shredded, so I didn't put the cards back in there. So I'm missing one more autograph and the multi. ODB, Jesse Goddard, Sting, Austin Aries, Sting, AJ Styles. I don't know why. Some of these packs just shred. Douglas Williams, Magna. There's a short print Sting. That might be my short print card. I don't consider RC what they consider. One of them's the numbered ones and one of them's not, so I don't know. But I like my memorabilia card. And Matt Morgan's not bad. How about red? Number 10 of 10. Mr. Anderson as a kid. So that's pretty sweet. I'm really sorry if there's a glare. I just realized there might be a glare. That will suck if there was. But I don't got very many packs left. I'm trying to bust through this pretty quick. And it's already taken like 5 minutes. Garrett Bischoff, Taylor Hendricks. Why am I reading these? I keep doing that. Each Terra, Crimson. There's some sticking. Come on. I don't like how these packs are opening. Last one did it, but not as bad. I need a big name. A Hogan or a Sting would be alright. Jeff Hardy wouldn't be bad either, but... Okay, I'll just show it because I already read it. Number to 99, kind of funny. My autograph duel is Tara and Jesse Goddard's. So that's my relic and I still have one autograph going. And if there's any other short prints. So it's just kind of weird that they're sticking a guy. There was my autograph. Number to 99, Bobby Roode. Not bad. So that was there might be some short prints in these last 2 packs. Not sure, we'll find out. They're sticking together, I swear they are. Okay, there's that. And last but not least, last pack. Tara, Earl Hebner, Kurt Angle, Douglas Williams, James Storms, and Sting. Okay, so that's my box. I'll do a quick recap. Hogan, 10 of 10. My short print of Sting. Mr. Anderson, 10 of 10. My first autograph was Matt Morgan. My other single autograph was Bobby Roode. My duel was Tara and Jesse Goddard's. And my event worn was Tara, Jesse Goddard's. So that's what I got for that box. Stay tuned for the next one. Hope you enjoy. Bye!